everyone. This is Beenal Chheda. I'm an optometrist, hashtag an eye care professional. In this lockdown scenario, we all are excessively glued to our screens. Let it be mobiles, laptops, computers, TV, etc. And we all know the harmful effect the screen has on our eyes. But it would not justify if I tell you to not use screen, be away, limit the timing. It's not possible, even for me. So here, I can share you a few tips which will help us take care of our eyes in the best possible way. So the tips are, first, whenever you're viewing your screen or watching an interesting movie or a series, we tend to stare at the screen without blinking. It is very important to blink frequently after a few seconds. I'm not talking about obsessive blinking, but yes, we have to keep in mind that we have to blink every few seconds while watching the screen. This helps prevent dryness in our eyes, thus preventing eye fatigue. The second tip is to hold the mobile screen at a distance of 1 meter or say an arm's length. The best way would be keep it on a table, on a stand, and then watch. Another thing is the screen should be at the eye level. So it has two advantages. It relieves eye fatigue because of the distance, and second, it relieves neck fatigue because if we constantly keep looking down, it will eventually give us a neck pain. So the third tip is we have to apply a rule which is 20:20:20. This means that after every 20 minutes of screen time, take a break for 20 seconds, view something which is 20 feet away. So the best idea is just look out of the window at a distant object. This relieves the muscles, relaxes them, because we are constantly looking at near object which constricts the muscles, which gives them strain. The fourth tip is do not constantly be in an air-conditioned environment. An air-conditioned environment leads to dryness in our eyes, which leads to irritation, grittiness, burning, lots of things which gives us eye fatigue. So if we just in the evening times be in a normal airy room, take a break from the air condition, it would be very helpful. Few more additions are you can take a good cold compress. Do not splash cold water into your eye. Just take a clean cloth, dip it into cold water and keep it on your eye. You can use preservative-free lubricating drops, which would also help whenever necessary. So these were a few simple tips, but if you incorporate them in your daily, especially lockdown routine life, it would at least prevent or help avoiding the adverse effect to the maximum extent possible. So thank you. Please share this video if you find it useful with your friends and colleagues. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.